What is up, CTC family? Shaka Daniel here, aka Chase That Coin. And today we want to start off by doing our Obsidian giveaway. Well, we're gonna hold that off just to give you guys a chance to still win. So we're gonna do an Obsidian giveaway of 100. We're gonna do a giveaway today of a 100 city Obsidian, and we're gonna talk about quickly the Tezos petition that is going around at Tezos.community. We're also going to talk about Bitcoin still kind of struggling, and we are going to talk about Stratis and Neo setting up or making really nice pops today. So we're going to give it a few seconds, get some live viewers. I encourage you to share this out. If you're new here, hit that like button. Also, we started this yesterday, so we have a Telegram group going here with a few members. This is your opportunity to be one of the first members in our Telegram group, the Crypto Chasers. So got a few people in here. I've been posting some charts and different things in there. So that's that. We're going to give it a few minutes. I'm going to post this out. I encourage you to do the same. And then we are going to take off. All right, so we shared that out. We got a few live viewers. What is up, everybody? So we're not going to start off with the Obsidian giveaway. Obsidian did do a relaunch today, and as expected, it did take a little bit of a dip. Now, I'm not worried because the amount that it dipped was a very small amount considering its thin market cap. All right, so it was about 5,800 Satoshis earlier today. It dipped about 900 Satoshis. I'm expecting to recover this fairly quickly as the application, the Android messaging application is launched on Christmas. So I'm not really worried about this. If it continues to dip, I'll simply dollar cost average in, ride the bounce back up, and make some easy profits like that. So we will do the Obsidian giveaway as we get a few more people in here, and we're going to do it live. All right. So quickly, let me just talk about the Tezos petition. I'm not going to go to the site. Many of you probably aren't Tezos holders. I, for one, am a Tezos holder. So quickly, Tezos is having a dispute between the creators of the project, Kathleen Brightman and Arthur Brightman, and the foundation. Specifically Johan Gervers of the foundation, and the community has come together and made up a petition and is actively recruiting people to sign it. The petition is on Tezos.community. I try to stay away from the politics of it, but it's interesting to me. But I try to stay away from the politics of cryptocurrency, and that's definitely politics. So if you want to check that out, that's there at Tezos.community. They're having a petition, and they plan on presenting it to the foundation and its members. All right. So let's get into Bitcoin. Before we get into Bitcoin, what's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Is the stream good? Max, Precious, Thomas, Zombie TV, what's up? Mr. Z is not fresh. All right, we got a few live viewers. All right, so yesterday we were doing some analysis on Bitcoin. I personally told you guys that I am expecting Bitcoin to continue to pull down and also struggle at the previous all-time high. So the previous all-time high was back here. All right. So even though the market did push up and create a new all-time high, this point of this previous all-time high already created a level of resistance, and using the principles of one of the principles of support and resistance is the market will temporarily break through your level of resistance or support, pivot above or below it, and then continue down. All right, so we got multiple bearish signs on the 4 hour for Bitcoin. Even though Bitcoin is a different beast and it's susceptible to, you know, different news in different countries and different things creating news about Bitcoin. Is susceptible for it to move up. It is still a market, and it still has to respect some kind of aspects of technical analysis. And I'm expecting it for this to be one of those times. All right, we got a sign for a pullback here, but apparently this level of 9,375 was a strong level, and we pushed up from it. I would not be surprised to get a pullback into what we're calling over here the gun line, which is 93.75, or at least an approach of the gun line. I broke down analysis of that a few times. You can check out my other videos, but I'm expecting a breakdown into the gun line and possibly approaching the baby bear, which is 7,400, between 7,400 and 8,300. So dollar cost averaging will be effective in these times. All right, the stream is good. We're not going to make this one real long and drawn out today. I want to just get on here. We're going to use this. We're going to do the live drawing, and we're going to just talk Bitcoin real quick. This is my opinion on Bitcoin. So that's the 4 hour. Let's look at the 1 hour for the 1 day, excuse me, for Bitcoin. And for those of you who missed it, we started a Telegram group, and the link is in the description below. And you have a chance to be one of the first members in the Telegram group. There's a few members in here. We have 57 members. This is a place where you can talk cryptocurrency with like-minded people. You can talk hodling your favorite coins, Bitcoin, altcoin, whatever. You can talk trading. You can talk investing. You can talk ICOs that you're interested in. Bounce your ideas off of different people. I'm active in the group as well. I post my charts. I post links to my charts in the group. So that group is the Crypto Chasers. Once again, here it is. The link is in the description. Also follow me on Twitter at @ChaseThatCoin. And you still have a chance to go and follow me on Twitter to be a part of the giveaway. Cardano today. I need help on that chart. We're not gonna do a bunch of different coins in this video because I don't want it to be too long. I want this one to be specifically about Bitcoin. Stratis taking off. Some of you are involved in that Stratis trade with me, and I want it to be about Neo. If you want to get my opinion about different things, join us in the Telegram group. Link is in the description. Join us in the Telegram group right now. Or after or whatever, and I'm active in there, and I'm doing the same thing I'm doing here when I'm in there active. But I am active. We had some fun in there, and we're growing. All right. So the daily for Bitcoin. Let me remove this. This was just an indication for when I was breaking down a chart for somebody in the Telegram group. It's still on the daily. On the daily. We do have volume. I would have liked to seen a bigger move on the volume chart for Bitcoin today. It is still at a level where it could be using 10,950 as a level of support. So Bitcoin is still definitely at a very interesting level. But I am expecting further moves down. Now the 4 hour is signaling moves down. The daily isn't yet signaling that move down. I like to make my overall moves off of the daily. So what that means is I'm expecting a short-term pull down, maybe into the 7 moving average, just based off of the 4 hour. And if we get a pull down and a close, because of the movement on the 4 hour, then I'm going to call a total pull down into the gun line, and we'll analyze it from there. All right, so let's look at Stratis. Stratis trade is beautiful. All right, we're talking about this in the group. All right. People ask me, you know, what price am I getting in at? What price did I get Obsidian at? What price did I get Stratis? I have no problem telling you my entry points. There's nothing to hide. We got in an entry point down here. We started to enter this market on this falling candle. All right, so there's a way to combine buying the dips with price action that you already see establishing itself. So that's what I did here. I put out the call on Twitter. I will be putting out the calls in these in the Telegram groups as well. Now, I'm not going to fill the Telegram groups with calls. It's more so about bouncing your ideas and me just giving you tips on different styles and different things like that. All right. So we got a few viewees. All right, so quickly, let me break this down for you guys. Stratis is creating two trends. All right, we have an overall trend, which is the red line. I'm gonna mark this up the next time I link it. The red line is the overall daily trend. All right, the blue line itself is the trend that is being created on the 4-hour. So we got two trends being created here, and as of lately, the market has been respecting the sharper of the two trend lines, which is the 4-hour. So the market has been respecting and reacting to the sharper of the two, which is indicating to me that Stratis is looking to attempt to test all-time highs, or to at least approach it. I'm not going to make that call until we break the previous all-time high, the previous high, which is here. But I'm very bullish Stratis. We are in Stratis. If you got in this Stratis trade with me off of my original call, you are up 48% Bitcoin value. So that means if you had 1 Bitcoin and you took this trade with 1 Bitcoin, you turn 1 Bitcoin into 1.48 Bitcoin. Simple. All right, so that's Stratis. Let's take a look at a trade that we're not in, but I like this coin, which is NEO. You jumped into Stratis last night. I hope you got a good position. Somebody commented on my last video that they sold Skycoin. I think it was Duncan. I'm not trying to call you out, Duncan, but somebody commented that they sold Skycoin and bought Obsidian. First of all, you got to think of the rules of cryptocurrency. Well, not one of the rules, but one of the things that people like drive into the ground, which is sell the news. People will sell the news on a cryptocurrency that is super fundamentally bullish and may take off any day. But just because they bought it before news, they'll sell it just because that's a thing in cryptocurrency. So you should have expected people to somewhat sell the news. In my opinion, Obsidian is holding off very well, especially from it being a thin market cap coin and people selling the news. So I'm expecting us to recover this 14% very quickly and for us to continue to move up. The better move out of the two was to buy Obsidian and hold it for the long term. Long term could be a month, a couple weeks, a year, 2 years, or 3 days could be long term. Just not in and out, not trading. And to trade Stratis, which is a much more liquid market. All right, so I don't trade thin cap coins. I find good projects, I buy them, hold them, make multiple X's off of them, sell them, and get back get my position back, my initial position, some profit, and hold some coins, and let's see if it goes real long. That's what we're doing. So Obsidian, Obsidian. We're bullish Obsidian up over here. NEO had a very nice pop on a 4-hour. The daily is the more interesting of the two to me, simply because of the placement of the moving averages. All right. The placement of the moving averages right now are very interesting. So NEO is setting up for a reversal and a snapback above a level in which I consider to be support or a reload zone. But the day isn't over. The day is going to close in 50 minutes. So this candle for NEO is going to close in 50 minutes. If it can sustain and close above the 7 moving average, I'm going to go out on a limb here and say NEO is getting ready to snap back above possibly 0.005227. All right, so That is Neo. Let's see how many viewers we got. No matter how many we got, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this giveaway. All right. So the way we're gonna do this giveaway right here is the competition agency. All right. So I'm gonna click on this. Right. I'm going to copy this. All right. And we're going to put it over here. So no, I didn't put everybody's name in a hat and pick it. I was going to do that. But then I was going to say, I was like, everybody's going to say it's not real. But sometimes old school is good. But I wasn't going to put everybody's name in a hat. But I said, okay, let's do it the new fancy. Oh, we're all using blockchain. Let's do it the fancy way and do it on the computer. All right. So we're going to pick the winner. Good luck to you all. If you haven't, maybe you can rush over there quickly and follow me on Twitter and then retweet that. Maybe you get a chance to get in before it's over. Drum roll, please. Picked by random retweet. And the winner of the competition is Vadim. Oh, snap. Yo. I think he's been following me even before this challenge. So that is cool. Vadim, if you're watching right now, Vadim, shout out to you. Message me on Twitter, or I will message you if you don't message me first. Send me your Obsidian address and I will send you 100 Obsidian. Tune in tomorrow. I was thinking about doing the second place. Maybe I'll do a second place tomorrow. Shout out to you though, bro. That's what's up. Congratulations. Well, anyway, we're not going to make this one too long, guys. I appreciate you all. Shout out to the winner, Vadim. We're going to make these giveaways a little bit more regular. I'm not going to do a giveaway every day because I don't feel like I have to pay you to watch my videos. I feel like I'm paying you in good quality content, showing you some tips and tricks in trading, investing, and everything cryptocurrency. So until next time, my chasers. Oh yeah. Don't forget, link in the description below. Join the Telegram chat. We're growing. And until next time, keep chasing that coin, ladies and gentlemen. Peace.